Now it's time to install your pulleys. This is one of our favorite parts of our system because it allows you to raise and lower panels independently. Each roll-up panel comes with two double wheel pulleys and a single wheel pulley. Each pulley assembly includes a 3-inch screw, 1/4-inch washer, pulley, and spacer. Determine on which side of your curtain you'll cleat off your pull cord before installing your pulley, since this will influence the order of your double and single pulleys. Now here's a question we get a lot. How do I know where to install the double-wheeled versus single-wheeled pulleys so that I have a curtain that rolls? To make sure you have a curtain that rolls, with your cleat installed on the left-hand side, you would install your two double pulleys on that left-hand side. The single-wheeled pulley would be installed to the right, as shown in this illustration. If you installed your cleat on the right-hand side, the illustration would simply be flipped. Installing your pulleys is simply a matter of replacing the screws PES has pre-drilled for you in your top track with your screw and pulley setup. The first double pulley will be installed 1 inch from the end of the top track. Be sure to attach this pulley on the same side of the curtain as your cleat. Remove the screw already in the 1-inch hole and replace it with the pulley. Visually locate the 2 knots in your top track. Next to each knot, there is a pre-drilled hole in the track that should be empty. No screw will be attached. Place the second double pulley into the open hole closest to the first pulley. Install the single pulley in the final available hole, again, next to one of the knots.